Greetings to one and all. I am Dr.S.Rajalakshmi, Assistant Professor of Chemistry from Erode Arts and Science College, Erode, Tamil Nadu. I am participating in second on-air refresher course in chemistry scheduled between 16/8/21 to 29/8/21. I am going to make my presentation on the topic chemistry in daily life. What is chemistry? Chemistry is nothing but it play a big part in our everyday life. We find chemistry in daily life, especially in our food you eat and air you breathe, your soap, your emotions, and literally every object you can see or touch. Here a look at a few everyday chemistry. There are two types of changes occurs in our life. They are physical changes and another one is chemical changes. Physical changes is nothing but it occurs when substance and subject undergo the changes without changing into another substance. Usually it involves transfer of heat or transfer of matter. Melting of ice cream is an example of physical changes. It involves the transfer of heat. The chemical changes or the changes occur and the substance undergo changes and it is also converted into another new or different substance. Chemical changes happens on a molecular level. Example, burning of candle. It occurs on the molecular level. The wax molecule changes into carbon dioxide and water molecule in this reaction. Chemical reactions happens when a car is started and the turn is removed from silver. Fertilizer is added to help plant to grow. Food is digested and the electricity is produced from burning natural gas and rust is formed on iron nail. Everything in our lives are made up of chemistry. Glasses we use, soap, metal ions, chemically treated water, plastics, polymer, baking soda, food, fertilizer, pesticide, living beings, all are made up of chemistry. Now we are going to know about some features among this. Soaps. Soaps are cleaning agents that are usually made up of reactive alkali with naturally occurring fat or fatty acids. The reaction produces sodium salt of these fatty acids, which improve the cleaning process and making water better able to lift away greasy stain from skin, hair, clothes, and just make anything else. As a substance that has been helped clean bodies as well as the person, soap has been remarkably useful. Hair color. Hair coloring is very popular today with over 75% of women coloring their hair. The first shape commercial hair color was created in 1909 by French chemists using the chemical paraphenyldiamine. How does hair color work? Hair is mainly consists of keratin, which is the protein found in skin and nail. The nature color of hair depends on the ratio and quantities of two other proteins, namely humulin and famulin. Humulin is responsible for brown to black color, while famulin is responsible for golden plant and red color. The absence of either type of melanin produces white or gray color to our hair. Water. Water is the combination of many things. Sodium is one of the components which is added to the water. We need 20 milligram per liter of water for suggested safety of our life. While cutting onion, we feel the burning sensation in our eyes. This may be due to the formation of sulfur compound present in the onion react with the air and form a volatile sulfur compound which in turn react with water and form a sulfuric acid. It gives a burning sensation to our eyes. Oils include classes of chemicals compound that may be otherwise unrelated in structure and properties uses. Oil may be animal, vegetable or petrochemical in origin and may be volatile or non-volatile. They are used for food, fuel, lubrication, and the manufacture of paint, plastics, and other materials. Specially prepared oils are used in some religious ceremonies as purifying agents. We breathe air that is 21% and we require oxygen to life. So we might think that breathing of 100% of oxygen would be good for us, but actually it can be carbon. So pure oxygen is generally for or sometimes toxic.
Does chemistry seem like the kind of thing that only old people in white coats can do? We're actually all chemists. Even our bodies are made of chemicals. When we eat, breathe, or just sit down, chemical reactions are taking place. All matter is made from some kind of chemicals, so chemistry is the study of everything. But how does chemistry occur in our everyday lives? The most obvious place is in the kitchen. When we cook something, a chemical reaction occurs. The raw meat turns into cooked meat so that our bodies can absorb the nutrients better. When we bake a cake, the ingredients cause a chemical reaction to create the batter. And then another chemical reaction happens when it goes into the oven. Even the way we store our food in the fridge and when things rot away are all chemical reactions. Another common aspect where chemistry occurs is through cleaning. Chemicals are created to target specific areas like dishes, laundry, and your body. Imagine using bleach to wash your body. It would burn. But even children know not to use bleach to wash themselves, which means that the moment we start learning about what cleaning products to use, we are already junior chemists. Medicine is another important use of chemistry. The pills and medicine we use are all made from chemicals that are there to make our body stronger and to kill viruses and bacteria. Then things like fruits and supplements can be used to prevent illnesses, and these are also produced from chemical reactions. Basically, without medicine, which requires chemistry, we would get sick very often. And chemistry is used to research new medicines. Can you believe that about 100 years ago, people died from having a cold? It's because of discoveries in chemistry that we now have cheap medicines to get rid of the cold. Chemistry is also an important part of our environment. Fertilizers and compost for our gardens are created when chemical reactions take place. Think about how cow or horse dung is used to fertilize plants. People were doing it for centuries before scientists discovered how it actually works. But farmers started doing it after seeing how plants reacted to the dung. So even though they didn't study chemistry like you are, they were really good chemists. But there are more serious things to look at, like how some chemicals are nutritious to the environment and others cause pollution. Only through studying chemistry can we begin to discover ways to produce chemicals that are sustainable and not harmful to the natural world. In summary, we can see now that we're all chemists. From cooking food to cleaning ourselves, we make choices every day based on the way chemicals work. Chemistry is also important for the creation of medicines and environmental issues. By doing research in chemistry, we can find new cures for diseases as well as better chemicals to use in our natural environment. Chemistry can help change the world.
Toxic. Now I am going to tell you one simple experiment how to make your own invisible ink. First step is to use a lemon for its juice. Second step, write a message on the paper using this juice. The third step is try the juice by burning the paper. The step 4 is your message will be totally invisible. Thank you, one and all, for your patient listening. I wish to thank our course coordinator, Dr. Dilip Vasava, and his team for guiding us in various aspects. And also, I wish to thank the director and his team of UGC HRDC Gujarat University for giving me this opportunity to participate in this repressive course program and indulge our knowledge in various fields of chemistry. Once again, I thank you one and all.